Another aspect of quality relationships, which is one of the five pillars of prosperity, is the idea of boundaries. Boundaries contribute to quality relationships because it lets both people know exactly what they can expect within the relationship, what is acceptable, what is not acceptable, what are the things that are going to be welcome, and what are the things that are not going to be welcome within that relationship. And this is really important for healthy quality relationships, knowing where you stand. So, whether or not it's a professional relationship or a personal relationship, those boundaries help define how that relationship works and how it works to the benefit of all the people that are involved. It does require you understanding what you need and being able to communicate what you need. They're incredibly important in ensuring that the relationships that you have are contributing to your prosperity. If you're struggling around the area of boundaries, or you don't know what your boundaries are, or your boundaries don't seem to be working, talk to me about how I can help with that. I'm Neville from Synertia Counseling and Coaching. I am your personal prosperity and performance strategist, and I'm here to help you create your prosperous life.